Welcome, here I've got ARCHOS Diamond Gamma and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. By tapping on this button we get access to more options we can manage. One of these at the center is picture ratio, so we now are in 4:3. When we tap on this we can change it to 1:1, so let's go back to the camera preview. As you can see here, the camera frame has changed to the square one. When we go again to the settings and tap once again on picture ratio, we go to 16:9 ratio, so this is a little bit longer one than 4:3 and 1:1, so this is how it looks like. And of course, by going once again to this and tapping once again to this, we go back easily to 4:3, the original one, and this is how it works. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.